Here's something a lot of photographers and videographers don't realize. You can get fully insured for your business in less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. Seriously, with Next Insurance, you can get a photographer insurance quote in under 10 minutes. Next built their photographer insurance specifically for creatives like you, whether you're shooting weddings, portraits, or commercial work. You answer a few quick questions about your business, and in just minutes, you'll see an instant customized quote. The best part, it's flexible. You can bundle different coverages. General liability for accidents at a shoot, professional liability if a client claims you missed something, or equipment coverage to protect your cameras and gear. Prices start at around $16 a month, and you can choose monthly or annual payments depending on what works for your budget. And once you're covered, you can download a certificate of insurance instantly. That's huge because most venues and clients will ask for proof before hiring you. Instead of waiting days or weeks like traditional insurers, Next delivers it in minutes. If you've been putting off getting insurance because you thought it was complicated or time consuming, this is your sign to fix that today. I'll drop my link in the description. Check out Next Insurance, get your instant quote in under 10 minutes, and protect your gear, your business, and your peace of mind.